Howdy guys, and welcome here to the 12 Hotel in Barna. I'm Simon, the bar manager here in the 12, and today we're just going to talk through my brown bag cocktails. We've had these going since the start of COVID, and this one here is the Porn Star for 2. So we're just going to make it up real quick right now. Inside the bag you get a vacuum sealed Porn Star for 2 with 2 garnishes. It's as simple as pouring this cocktail from the fridge, but we're going to shake it just for the show. So we'll just get a bit of ice in our tin, and it's as simple as just clipping the corner and pouring. It's the same Porn Stars we make in the bar, and it's our most popular cocktail on the to-go menu. So it really should do for 2 portions, so we're going to do it all together. If you're making it at home, like I said, it's for a couple or for 2 for yourself. Don't need to shake it, you can just take it from the fridge. Now, a Porn Star. Simple.